Hiya kids, hope you're all well. So those of you that follow me on Instagram know that I picked up this little lot. Quite rare you get a collaboration like this, to be honest. So you got to jump in at the deep end. So I picked up probably the 3 I wanted. They were all nice, but yeah, I've got the 3 I wanted. And we will do a video on each of these, starting at the top. So expect 3 Adidas X CP Company vids. So let's take a look at the first one, which is the CP Company SAMBA. Right, so keeping it simple, as I always like to do. First thing to note is the black box with the dual branding. That is different to what you'll normally get, obviously. Off to the main event here. Nice detail on the inside of the boxer as well. Let's get these out. I think these are a cracking shoe, really do. Probably my first choice actually out of the lot. If you look at the sheen on the material as I rotate the box, really nice. So you got your blue and purple combination on these. We'll do a toe to tongue on this one here. You've got your C Company logo on the top of that tongue. Opposite you've got the Adi logo on the other foot. You do have some lovely stitch detail to the 3 stripes as well. And you do have so on the toe box area up through the lace stays and to the heel you do have it's like a suede or nubuck. Really nice quality actually. Very soft to the touch. Hopefully the camera picks that up. If we go back round to the heel, we've got your 3 stripes at the top. You've got your CP Company up the heel. My one criticism, that should have been in white or another more prevalent colour, because you can't really see it that clearly, I don't think, from any kind of distance at all. So if we have a look underneath at the tread, it's a standard SAMBA affair, which is not a bad thing. Full of nice little details, these shoes. So if we pop in and look at the footbed, nice quality footbed. Again, nothing to complain about. On the underside of the tongue there, you do have your CP Company as well. So yeah, there you go guys. So keeping it nice and simple as always. I will throw these on feet now so you can have a look at what they look like on. And yeah, really pleased with these. The other 2 will be getting future videos soon, so within the next week, something like that, you'll see them. So keep tuned on the channel. As always kids, yeah, stay safe, have fun, go and enjoy yourselves, whatever you do. See you next time. Cheers.